Welcome once again to Thompson & Smith. Today very pleased to bring this lovely looking Leon1.6 TDI 105 PS SE technology model. The car's had just 2 owners from brand new. I've got the car taken over already to show you first of all the daytime running lights. I'll look down the driver's side of the vehicle. So you're facing a lovely blue metallic. Rear view, you see rear park sensors there. I'll show you the boot area. You see a good sized family boot with a 60/40 split rear seat. Okay, the near side rear view. Just take a close up of the alloys. All the wheels and tyres are in excellent condition. Show the rear seating area. Hope the video will show how nice the fabric is. And then the near side. Come to the near side front view. The car has been 74,000 miles from new. And just 2 owners. Full service history. So the recent cam belt change. Okay, so let's work our way across. Electric windows front and rear, electric folding mirrors. I'll show you the interior trim. So we'll just jump in the cabin and work our way across. We've got a multifunction steering wheel here with Bluetooth, and also the buttons here for you. Work your way across your menu, trip computer. 74,000 miles. Come across to the centre screen. We'll see there, old touchscreen, DAB radio, old Bluetooth, and colour sat nav. As I mentioned, old touchscreen, very easy to use. So work our way down. We've got air conditioning, 5-speed manual box. Come across to the passenger side, you'll see the book packs, recently serviced last September at 72,000 miles. Also had the time belt change as well. Okay, let's work our way back across outside the car. Now the car would come with a 6-month nationwide RAC warranty. It's MOT till late September. Like that more, from myself Tom, my own sales team at 01507 602222, or visit our website www.thompsonsmith.co.uk. Thanks again for viewing.